Okay, welcome guys to my video. My name is Steven, and I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble PC and reassemble it back, and also show you all the components inside this PC. So first of all, I'm going to start with a DELL Vostro 3888, and then which has a service tag of 64MHWH3. And then it's an Intel i7 with 10th generation. It's the PC that we are going to be using right now, and we will be disassembling it and seeing all the parts inside it, and then we reassemble it again to the way it is, so that it can be able to be used and be ready for someone to use it. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you right now. So after deciding the PC you are going to use, make it sleep on the sides where you can see the upper part, and then you'll be able to open it off and remove it and put it on the side, so that you can be able to see all the components inside. Then after seeing all the components inside, you can start by removing all the cables inside one by one. Disconnect all the power cables and all the cables that connect to the hard drive, and then after you can be able to remove them, and then you put them aside, and then you can pick your hard drive. Also, you put it on a side. Remember, you have already disconnected all the wires, and then you can also remove the power cable. Also, you put it on a side, and then after putting it on a side, you make sure that there are no other cables which are connected. If there is any other cable which is connected, you can still pick it off, remove it, and then you can go on to the fan, remove the fan cover, put it also on the side. And then the next, you will be able to see a RAM, and then you can remove the RAM by removing all the sides that holds the RAM, and then pick it up gently without touching these parts which connects to the motherboard, and then put it on a side, and then you can be able to remove the screws that touches the fan. It makes the fan hold tightly to the motherboard. You can remove one by one. They are supposed to be 4. Then after removing them, you can pick the fan up, and the fan is always attached to the sink, the heat sink, and then you remove them at a go. And then after removing them, you can be able to see the CPU down where it is on the motherboard. And then to remove a CPU, you will have to first remove these components that holds it tight to the motherboard, so that it doesn't shake or get removed. After removing them, you can pick it also gently without making any contact with these parts that touch the motherboard. So you pick it gently, like the way you are seeing. You can even see this part. You can turn it and look at this part that touches the motherboard, but don't touch inside it, because that's the crucial part. And then after you have removed, then you can remove your motherboard, because all the components are now off, and they are on a side, kept very well, you can see. And then you can start putting them back as we have removed them one by one. And then after, you can cover the piece, and it will be very well and ready to be used by someone. After covering them back, make sure you connect all the screws, put them back the way they're supposed to be, and all the wires, connect them where they were. After, then you can use it. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Make sure you subscribe to my videos, to my YouTube account, and watch the helpful information that I'll be posting. Thank you so much.